Kickstarter community. It is our mission to simplify and organize everyday appliances. We've put in the effort to research usability and understand how we can make life easier. Having a user comes first concept, TRIX isn't just a power strip. It represents convenience, simplicity, and innovation. Contributions will go to the cost of tooling and safety regulation fees. With your support, we can reinvent the way we see power strips and how we use daily appliances. Please also share this with your friends, and we hope to see this change happening soon. Thank you for considering TRIX.